Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 5, we will learn about Toast in Android. Toast is used to display some message in the Android. Okay. Now we will elaborate this Toast with the help of example. Go to File. From File select New Project. Select Empty Activity. Click on Next. My application, New Toast. Language is Java, minimum API level is 15 and finish. Click on Finish. It will load the new project. So our project is loading now. This is what our project is loaded. Okay. So in order to create the toast, we have to create an object of toast. Okay. So we will create the object toast t equal to toast dot make text Gradle is still building now. So this is the standard format. In this we have to pass the parameter. Very first is the context, second is the string, the message which we want to display, and third one is the length for the short period or long period. Okay, now we will have the look. So here toast import by using Alt Enter. Get up here make text is the method. Toast dot make text get application context. Okay, and the message welcome. Okay, this is what the message. Okay, and the next parameter is the length. Toast dot length short, we will set to short initially, and the semicolon. This is the syntax for toast, and then t dot show. It will create the text with length short. Now we will run it on jar of beans simulator. You can see the output. The message will be a welcome Android as we have defined in the string. It is installing now. Activity will be launched very soon. Okay, now you can see the message here for the short period of time. Okay, so if we make it long, the message will appear for somewhat long than the previous one. you can see the message is now appearing somewhat for long period than the previous one. Okay, so this is about toast. So now you can observe the toast present at the bottom by default. Suppose you want the toast on the top, okay, on the left, on the right, then we have to set the gravity attribute. Okay, so we have these options. This is the standard syntax for gravity. Here the gravity: top, left, right, bottom, center, center horizontal, center vertical. There are 7 properties, okay, of the gravity. Then this int x offsets and y offset. So x offset for the distance in the x direction, and y offset is the distance from the y direction. We will have the lookout over this gravity attribute. So what we will set: t dot set gravity dot top. So now we have to set the x and y coordinates, x offset and y offset. Okay, when you will run, you can see in the top our message will be displayed on the top instead of bottom now. Okay, here we have the message now. Okay, now we will change this x offset. X offset I am changing to 100, then it will shift it to the x 100 to the x axis. The toast will shift to the 100 pixel to the x. Now you can see, okay, it will go from the top to the 100. Okay, suppose here the y offset is 100, then what happened? It will come down by 100 pixel. The message will come down 100 pixel in the y direction. You can see here. Now it comes 100 pixel down in the y direction. So this is what the offsets are. Okay, now this is what the top. Now we will, instead of gravity top, if we go for the left, okay, then our message or our toast goes in the left side. As you can see in the output, our toast will goes in the left direction. Okay, it comes in a left direction. If you go for right, it will go in the right direction. Toast will go in the right direction here, somewhat here. Okay, it comes in a right direction. Suppose we go for the center, okay, it appears in a center. So here I made a center, it appears in a center, somewhat in the center. It comes in a center. So for this gravity we have the number of options. Okay, center, left, right. Okay, center, this one, horizontal, vertical gravity. Okay, all are